Clearly, I'm telling you. Correct? It's not from Besant, it's not, I'm doing from my end. Practical test is from my end. Please attend regularly. That will be helpful for you people only. We'll arrange the 2 practical tests at least. Next week one and next week one. Okay. If possible, next week we'll arrange the 2 practical tests, Saturday and Sunday. No issue. Try. Take 2 practical tests till load balancer. Till load balancer 1. First thing for my intention is first you should be good with what are the things we covered till auto scaling. Till auto scaling, what are the things we covered? That is very important. After the tunnel, small thing. After the tunnel, what are the things? All are easy topic only. CloudWatch, CloudWin, that all the advanced topic. Server level, please join the call. Join right. Okay. Server level, IAM beku. IAM required. Then we require the IAM. What are the important thing? Permission, custom policy, roles, process. Next we go to EB2. How to create, what are the common things, how to stop protect, how to terminate protect, how to password authentication. That is important. Then we go for VPC, main component there. Public, private, NAT gateway, internet gateway, route tables, VPC clearing, NACL. It's all very good. Server level is very important. Num level is. For server level, not make the machine learning language, don't go for architecture. For L2 level. L2 level is the VPC concept. VPC important. Then we go for EBS, external storage. That then snapshots. EFS, load balancer, application load balancer, network load balancer, auto scale. Really thank you. This is not S3 bucket which I do. S3 bucket which I don't do next week. Next week complete for S3 bucket. That is important. Clear, sir? I'm not telling other things not to learn. You should know that also. This is the basic thing. Clear, sir? Next week we'll have 2 practical tests better. Morning 9 o'clock we'll arrange. Practical test morning or DevOps plus already DevOps it. Both are in DevOps. 3 good. Oh. But I'm going to arrange for practical test. Target Sunday, 8 to 10, sir. 8 to 10. Okay. We'll arrange practical test class will start with it. You can take some other day. That's the only option we can have. Otherwise, it will be extended from 7 to 8. Don't ignore, sir, please. Linux practical test ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ sir ನೀವು. You want to take that one? No. All next week. All next week. Wait. ಅರ್ಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ನೋಡಿ sir, step by step will do. First, sir, what is DB? Anyone know? First, what is the DB in database? What does it? What is the advantage of it? What is the use of it? Any answer is okay for me. I want the more interactive session, sir. Please, very important. Please, what is DB? What is DB? You would have heard the word DB. Database. What does it mean? Backend storage. Backend storage. One data na file save ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋ one data na database save ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋ what will DCA okay, what is the difference between saving the file in saving the content in the file and save the content in the data. What is the difference? Anyone? You want to be free? Come on, you want the truly about the huh? Come on, what are different? What made the difference? Bank transaction only. Bank transaction is the record of last 10 transaction mini statement net banking login and pick 10 transaction account ID, debit, transaction detail, data. It's a structured way. Finally, first line my name Praveen. Next line I staying in Rajachinagar. Next line I am teaching in Bajan. It can be jumbled. In these are they come in a column like records. In statement of the account statement, bank account statement or any statement you get any bank statement you get it columns. The mini statement of bank last in transaction column. Account ID, transaction number, date of transaction, purchase. What the thing? It's a dedicated transaction. You arrange it in the order in the column by. That's a suddenly you pop up. You last time also last time. Your batch or we can be there. I don't know. Like this time. Sometimes you get a pop up in Facebook. You get a pop up in Facebook. Last 5 years photos. Don't give. Never go. Google photos. We can get remember cap. The next stage, Facebook will get event right before 5 years or 2 years back you take this event. So how this record is done. They are kept in TV. They are kept in TV. The particular pop whether you want to repost it or the yes, sir. Memory. Where to record a front end. Any website, sir. Any website which have a record where the transaction. Amazon no you shopping ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. My orders. Account ID, by order number, transaction, what the thing we purchased, what the thing the way you purchased. 4 column is that extra column marala. How that work? Otherwise, sorry, that DPO. Where you get a dedicated field number. Dedicated field, where you get the D. Correct? Front end web page was website Facebook.com is the front end is a web page. Back end your profile photos. My profile goes my photos, my album, my what is that? My story and you highlights which your story highlighted. Everything comes up. That all having on one data table. That all having on one table. That is a dedicated column. And then in file one line one very one line column bariತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ 20 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲೈನ್ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ right deep understand is very important sir it's a dedicated number of columns will be there number of records will be ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ getting the where data will be stored in the correct format correct way respected field ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನೇಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಐಡಿ ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬೇಕು which area? Dedicated number of columns. Is correct. Getting the correct. Any website which have history. The best on will pay Google Pay. Google Pay. Short transaction ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Wait just Google. ಯಾವುದೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Date of detail. Where any history, any website where we have the recorded history that will be stored in the team. The Facebook photos, the profile photos are green. What is the profile photo? Album, Goa trip, Bengaluru trip, Mysore trip. What are the things you have here? All are on one table. That is stored in team. Front end is the web page. Front end is the web page. Back end is stored in the team. Clear, sir? Any website will be having the DB with any live website which having a DB. Any live website with that which having DB. Only web page ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ HTML ಶೇಡ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್ ನಮಗೆ. ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಸರ್. That is only web page. If you don't want any history to be recorded, any transaction, debit card, online mapping, online shopping, anywhere, the channel can record as the earlier transaction may need to be recorded. That can't be stored in the server because that is stored in server, but not in the normal text file. That enable then we will bank statement in fact ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. I want to download who are already working. So submitting the financial year statement. Yes or no? Download financial statement and download ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Actually account statement people are not done. We will go to net bank account statement download sir. This state to this state I will download my state. Dedicated column ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಫುಲ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಡೇಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಾಖಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಐಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್? ವೆರಿ 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 ಗುಡ್. Right. Previously there was a no option there was a profile for what is that? LAMP. LAMP. Put in Google LAMP engineer. LAMP engineer and that's LAMP. LAMP engineer. LAMP is the Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP or Python. Yes sir. These are the LAMP engineer. Linux sir. Apache at the top get the web server what we done sir. HTTPD, CD/EDC, HTTPD. That is Apache. M for MySQL. P for PHP or Python. This is profile is there below. For application support job. Yes, that is mandate. You know, SQL actually as per me in my DevOps they should teach SQL. In DevOps they should teach SQL for around 5 to 6 hours. 6 to 7 hours they should know SQL. How to create database, how to create table, how to insert everything. This is very much important. Clear the sure? Okay. Now this is all the introduction for database I told. But what topic we want to do today? AWS. Relational database. Relational database. What makes special? Database connection ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? That matters. Alright, I'm going to explain you one by one. Please understand it. Very important. Concept is simple. Functionality is thick. Come back, sir. Please understand. One sec. Come back. Please observe. I have one server of 80 GB. Okay. This is a production server. This server ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೆಬ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಡೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Java, anything HTML I created on web page also. It server maintain the HTTP log, all the production log. Anybody visiting website will record it here also. And also database also installed. ಯಾರ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಆ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ನಾನು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ? ಡೇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ವಿಸಿಟರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಏನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಡೇಟ್, ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡೇಟ್, ಫೆಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಸಿಟರ್ ಜಯಂತ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ವಿಸಿಟರ್ ನೇಮ್, ವಿಸಿಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಸಿಟರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 10,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿತೇಶ್ 02 only. ನಿತೇಶ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ 5K and account number also. In account number, some excess account number, some account number. Okay. ನಮ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಬರೋದು ಇವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ JSON ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನೇ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೆದ್ರು JSON ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟು. Required field taking, inserting here. In the same server, total size of server is 80 GB. Same server ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಮೈಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Getting my point? Yes or no? Yes sir. Think like a scenario. Bank statement is very important, sir. Anyone? If you apply for loan, if you want to buy property, if you want to buy anything, they require 5 years bank statement. Correct, sir. If you want to loan, they first they're going to see a CIBIL score. No, you won't understand. When you apply, you will take. Correct, sir. Bank statement you will take. You need to submit form 60. We need to submit. Yes, sir. This is all very much important. Think like a scenario. The database server got the server where we installed. The server got no. One scenario. 80 GB ittale. Database further every time it go to inserting. Each transaction sometimes go and insert the mini statement also. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Right. If you transact, go on simply pay. When first company, what I used to do. Every day, that was a habit and going and checking the balance. Every day we'll go into first company when we join, that will be there. But we'll go on with it, the ITM and go and check the mini statement and come back. Sir, for each thing will happen. Correct, sir? Each thing order thing that will record, that will insert in DB, sir. Correct? One particular situation ಅಲ್ಲಿ 80 GB ಫುಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 80 GB ಫುಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಸರ್ವರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ JSON file, that will taking less space only. Database will taking more space. Understood? Now 8 GB, what the thing we need to do? Now I need to increase the size of server. Server. ಆ ಸರ್ವರ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು EBS ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, we can increase in online. ಅದೇ ಲೋಕಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ again, you need to create a EBS. I need to copy all this data, migration of database. Yes, sir. Till that, sometime you'll get a bank message, sir. From this time to this term, bank website won't be available. ATM won't be available. Any of my service won't be available. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ? ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ database migration. Database one of the reason telling data migration ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ RAM ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ RAM ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, maintenance activity. This is one can be one of the reason. Don't feel like migration only. I'm telling the reason. Clear, sir? Down time, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಲೂಸ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. Yes or no? That is one way. This is okay scenario. Think like ಈ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ corrupted. Somebody mistakenly rm-rf/done. Done. Well done. Server complete done. Server web server transaction web page ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, web server ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Customer will come and ask, I want last 5 years records. You take a backup is there, good enough. Backup is not there. Then customer, what is the recently, what is the famous bank for one? What is that bank? Recently the Yes Bank, right? Yes Bank previously for 3 to 4 years, it completely become bankrupt, right? Yes Bank or Punjab National. Correct, sir? This is the complete server got corrupted. Web server also there, yeah. Database also is there. By that time, database that better backup I taken, but last 3 years backup I don't have. The backup all got corrupted. ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Because server is installed, database also installed in the same server, web server also installed in same server. ಇವಾಗ ವೆಬ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಷ್ಟು 80 GB ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇದೆ, 30 GB ಫ್ರೀ ಇದೆ. ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ dd ಕಮಾಂಡ್ database dump ಕಮಾಂಡ್ dd /0 ರಿನಸ್ಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಗೆ ಫಾರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ I create a 10 GB ಫೈಲ್. Nobody able to insert the record. Now, that's the possibility because our major intention is database. Database, every second data will be inserting. We should provide the maximum space of database only in the server. And the database full right? It's full migration that is one chance. Suppose server got connected. All data gone. All data gone. Because it completely depend upon your server. So, AWS provider a super service called as RDS. Here again, what you know, the database is not directly installed to the server. Database is not directly installed in the server. RDS provides the database service. They go to install the RDS a separate service, MySQL database. You separate this separate EBS server. EBS server separate database, which is stored in the AWS location. When you require, you want to use the database, you connect this database to EC2 instance. EC2 instance connect ಮಾಡೋದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು EC2 instance connect ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮುಂಚೆ ಇತ್ತು ಈ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಂದ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ EBS ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್. When server got destroyed, EBS can be attached to another server. Understand the ಇದು ಅದು. Clear sir? Yes. Yes sir. Understanding? Clear? Now you want to create a database? Go to RDS sir, first. Go to RDS. Search for RDS. Artha aitala? Please sir. Understood? Go to RDS. Search for RDS. Left hand section. Left hand section getting a database. Databases. Idya? Go to RDS. Left hand section getting a second column. Databases. Yes or no? Sir, I want to respond back. I can't teach in silence, sir. Please, sir. Please respond back. You may be addicted to other batches where there's a no response, but I am not okay with that one. Please, when I ask anything, please respond back with a positive note. Okay, please. More the interaction will happen, better output will come from my end, sir. Please. Otherwise, you are suppressing me, my knowledge. I can't express complete amount of my knowledge. Please. Database click ಮಾಡಿ. You getting an option of create database? Yes, sir. Click. ಇದು separate database ಇದು. ಇದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ತರ AWS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಇದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. This is a particular service. It's separate in the as EC2 ತರಾನೇ. It's separate service for database in AWS. It is not depend upon any of the EC2 instance. One database is created. These database ನ ನಾವು ಒಂದು EC2 instance create ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Even server got destroyed, database is there. We're going to do that one today. Clear, sir? Let it be standard create. Don't click on easy create. Easy create ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ automatic ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. We require MySQL only. If you go into Windows, sir, my MS SQL ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆ. Microsoft SQL. Windows EC2 server ಆದ್ರೆ MS SQL. We are using Linux, so use the MySQL. MySQL. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? All done so far. Once you're done today, please delete and go this thing because it's very highly chargeable. Highly chargeable. Okay, please. MySQL community only. Show only version. So what does that mean? Multiple availability zone ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Database ನ multiple availability zone create ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. One suppose I created a MySQL RDS service ಇಂದ 180. AP South 180. ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿ availability zone ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Multiple availability zone database create ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. One availability zone database zone ಆದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು availability zone ಗೆ backup. Right now we're not selecting. That option is that one. Correct? Right now we're not. This is the MySQL version. That is the MySQL version. Don't enable that extend server that required only during production. We won't require any support. Production is a dev is a test is there, but right now we're going to use free tier only. Production use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Multiple availability zone. AZ with availability zone DB cluster, DB instance. But right now I require only for testing only. So I use the free tier. Select free tier. ಅವಾಗ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ only. User name, let it be admin. Admin only. Now, self-manager, you need to enter the password, sir. What the password you want to give for database, you should know. That's your password. Clear, sir? This you should remember. Please, sir. This password what you enter, you should remember today. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Clear. View capital, small letter and number and alphanumeric and special. Confirm same password again. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Ready? Give the password. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes or no? Should be complex password, sir. Alphanumeric and special symbol. Capital and small. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಗುರುನಾಥ್? Gururaja, Gurunath, you are. Guru, only Guru. Okay. Faster password. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? contain such a number you are altering the who selected enter password. Done, right? All done. Shall we continue? Dhanush, observe now. Come back. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಡಬಲ್ ಕೊಟೇಶನ್ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಟ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಡನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್? ಡನ್. ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Drag down. Initial configuration already selected. No need to worry. As per the requirement in future, in production, we going to use the what the things you require. This is only enabled for this free tier. Don't select any other thing. Already got selected. Drag down storage. 20 GB default. Nodi. 20 GB default got selected. Correct, sir? ಅದೇ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ನಮ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಫುಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ when storage is full, automatic command edit here 200 GB, it will happen. We no need to worry. Clear, sir? And I'm going to need to show you. You can see here, allocated storage value must be between 200 GB and 6144 gigabyte. This for free tier ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 6144 GB allocate ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ still more. Getting my point, sir? Correct? No. I'll click here. I need to check few things here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sir. Super. This option is very good. Auto scaling sir. ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ it will give you. If you click on this. Super. If storage is nearing, sir. If you untick this one, it won't happen. If you click this thing, automatically maximum threshold value closing ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Correct? ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ 800 GB 800 900 GB ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. This you can check 6,144 ತನಕ ಇದೆ. ಇದು 6,144 ತನಕ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಹೋಗೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನಂಗೆ ಬರೀ 1,000 ತನಕ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1,000 ಆದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That I can do. Understanding? Auto scaling is only right. When what is it? Load balancer found less than 2 it can connect. We got to get another equity. That is correct. Data. Understanding the clear the very important option this is. Next drag down. Don't connect easily. We'll manually connect. We'll not need to connect. We manually connected. Don't connect. Let it be don't connect only. Default VPC create ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ sir. Okay. If you want to create a custom VPC, you can create it. But we are going to create default VPC only. Not illi. This is important. Separate, leave it. Public and private. My database should be private. It should be accessible only inside my VPC. ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ private database. Private separate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ sir. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ private ಅಂದ್ರೆ this one no. If I want to public database, then the database can be connected from any of the server from online. That's a private means this thing. That's a but we want to get public only. Click on yes. Hopefully everyone understanding sir. Drag down. Security group already select ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಏನು select ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ availability zone ಏನು select ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RDS proxy. When you go into creating third party network, we'll get a proxy network that we're going to select. Right now we're not doing. Additional configuration ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. Right now I'm going to discuss this with later. Password authentication enabled. Monitoring. If you want to enable this with the CloudWatch. CloudWatch use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು CPU memory ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. Threshold ಅದೇ ತರನೇ this click don't click, just I'm telling you. It want to monitor every 60 seconds. ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it going to monitor database in CPU, memory, everything going to calculate. But right now I'm going to untick it sir because it's chargeable. It is used in CPU. Enabling the you want to see how different processor threads use the CPU. CPU usage ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Understanding sir? Right. No need to do. This additional configuration I'm going to discuss with you later, not right now. Better I'll do later. I'll do later. This right now I won't discuss with you. Not later means not other day, today only. Create database. Click on create database. It will take at least 10 minutes to get created. Because it need to take the backup, we need to create database, table, everything you should do. It will take 10 minutes. Until that, everyone created servers. Everyone created servers, sir. Who all created can lift hands, sir? Okay. 3306 port add ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ? Super. Manjula getting sir. Your Badrinath, your name sir? Bhargav. It will take 10 minutes, sir. Until that I create a server for recording, it will be clear. Give me some time. Let me create a server. 3306. Port number for database MySQL is 3306. It present in my Linux notes also. If you have that clearly. MySQL. First server I am creating. Now I'm going to create second server also. Database available ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರಬಹುದು mostly. Creating side available. Backing up. One second. Only you are getting. For you getting. First in our ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ. Do from beginning. Don't wait for. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್ come back here now. Same error. Hearing got available, who all not got available, let me know. Still is progressing, still is happening. Available. It should be available, sir. Somebody will be still is progressing, backing up. Who all got available, let me check it. The confirm that all got available. One second. Super. Now, explanation of this we'll do later. Correct? First we'll try to connect data. But server create ಮಾಡಿದೀವಾ ಡೇಟಾ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ we need to ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ MySQL ನಾಟ್ Microsoft SQL client ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ that we going to install it from there we going to connect we are using command line ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ವಿಂಡೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ if you want to connect executive instance if you want to connect the RDS we going to install after connecting executive instance I am going to install a MySQL not MySQL Microsoft SQL client. That's all. Here we going to install a command. Here also client only, but we going to install a yum install MySQL ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. This is the client to connect the database. Server ಇಂದ connect ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. yum install MySQL. yum install MySQL. FTP ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು FTP ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ FTP ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ ಅದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಎಮಿಷಾ MySQL space icon right we installed a client by using this client I'm going to connect the RDS data one that's the done clear okay now we are going to connect the we are going to connect the database. Now we don't have a database installed locally. I am going to connect the database which is in AWS console. RDS. Then connect ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದಾದ್ರೆ 90% job is completed. Then we can create our database table everything. Then I am going to explain the what is the GUI and the configuration. I'll explain. First we created this thing. Observe now. Please observe. MySQL. First I'll try. Later you can try. -u. Username ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾವಲ್ಲ admin. Admin is the username we given there. Where what the thing I need to connect? Host name with the RDS. RDS ಅಲ್ಲಿ DNS ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. DNS or what is endpoint? Sorry. Endpoint ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Endpoint sir. This I'm going to give you. -p not working sir. Working for you. Right. you install via Amazon Linux 3. No. Only one server is created. Not working, right? Right. Enter password. Enter password, then also it won't work. Can you let me know what is it? Not working, right? Very good. Come back here now. Come back here now. Come back. Please observe. 1 second, important point we missed it out. I intention not added that one. Now we'll do. Please observe. ಇವಾಗ RDS ಹೋಗಿ RDS ಅಲ್ಲಿ VPC security group ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ VPC security group is there, sir. Correct, sir? Click on that one. Jayant, doing right? RDS ಅಲ್ಲಿ VPC security group ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Important point this thing. Click on the security group. It will open in new tab. Danta, it open a new tab. Come drag down. Edit inbound rule. You won't be having this thing. I have already done it. Okay. Click on add rule. Inbound alley. Click on add rule. Select MySQL. MySQL search ಮಾಡಿ. Instance ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0006 allow ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಸರ್ ನಾವು. RDS security allow ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಆಡ್ ರೂಲ್ HTTP ಬೇರೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ leave it. That not required. Correct? Here 0.0 MySQL select ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Come back here now. I will do. First I will do, then you can do. Let me try, sir. It working or not working, I'll come to know. Working, sir. Data is connected. Now we log into our RDS database, which is in the AWS console. Okay. Now everyone should do. I'll wait for another 2-3 minutes. People are doing. When are you go doing? Back. Double back. History. Done, sir. Come back now. Come back. What is the command to know what is the database? I'm going to do here. I'm going to paste the queries in the Skype chat also. Please use this thing. If you want to learn SQL, there is a website called as w3schools.com. From there also I am also not studying engineering. I'm also from EC only. Correct? You can refer the W3 school or that what the website content having, that website queries are more than enough. But I'm going to try what are the things possible. I prepared separate notes for SQL comments. Please observe. Come back here now. First, sir, please come back. What is the Aita sir? Correct Aita? Okay. What is the command query used to know the how many database, how many data, show databases. Type the command show databases. Madi. Show databases. Show data. You need to add that port method. Okay. Come back now. Show database done, sir. Clear. Super. These are the databases. Please. These are the databases defaultly executing when you're creating database, when you're creating the MySQL RDS. Okay. Now we're going to create our new database. Facebook on database. So Twitter on database. So Facebook database alle Praveen is on table, Jayant is on table, Ravi Kumar is on table, and Dushyant is on table. Facebook database. Under Facebook, different table for each user of Facebook consider the table. Database is main thing. Under database, each table for one of user. Clear, sir? That we want to do. Now, I want to create a database. Create. So don't discuss, sir. Please do it with me. If you miss one point, you can what happens, sir? When I'm coming there, if you ask me, there you will be exercise. Back here, I back. Let us be coding. Come back here now. Now we got to create database. Create database. What's the date today? What the will take Ravi Kumar only. Okay. Ravi _ Jayant. Your wish. What's the name you want to give? Database created. Create database space, database name. Create database space, database name. Everyone should do, sir. Done, sir. Madhura. Who all done? 10 lift hands, sir. 10 lift hands correctly. Okay. Sirga, show databases kodi. Bandirthe nodi ivaga. Show databases. Show databases. Got it? From next week onwards, I want everyone to be sit friends. If sitting in last, people they are not communicating only. Right? Getting or not yet? All got it? Last bench guys, sir. Yes. You don't pick a separate class. I'm sitting with you only. Okay. Okay? You know who I issue there? Who I issue there? Two laptop you're using. Okay? Create it here? No. E database. So I'm going to create a table under this database. E table under field data column 1, column 2, column 3. Inside the database, I need to create a table. We can create a lot of table under one database. Under one database, consider Facebook is a database. Facebook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಯೂಸರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಜಯಂತ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಯಂತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ನಿತೇಶ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ I need to go into the database. Correct sir? Use database Ravi_Jayant. This is my database. Use space database name will go inside the database. Use space database will go inside database. Yes, sir. How to verify which database I'm currently logged in? Someone told anything? Okay. PW command Linux, sir. Okay. How to verify which database I'm logged in? Select database. Sorry. Select database. Small, what is this? Small bracket. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ semicolon ಇಂಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ database ಅಲ್ಲಿ. It can be SQL, it can be MySQL, it can be Oracle DBA, all is structured very important. Done. Now, inside this database, we're going to create a table. I'm going to write this table for syntax in the query in the notepad. Then I'm going to copy it. Please understand that. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾವು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. How many fields are required? Okay. Let me open notepad first. Create, don't write now. First I'll do want to do. Create table space, table name. Table name, let me give as a Besant. Let me give as a Besant. Besant is a table name now. The Besant table and each column beko. Each column, 4 column you take. 4 column, what are the input it required? I'll require as a ID. ID should be character or number. Number. What is the database? What is the type of it? String or integer? Integer. Name. It should be character. Next one though, what is the area? Area. Then I'll take the school name. School name. And I'll go to do. Correct, sir? Let me try. Let instead of Besant, I'll take anyone. I'll take the video. Okay. Next, I'll take as a ID. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the name. Name should be character. I'm going to allow maximum character 255. Correct, sir? ID ಆಯ್ತು, name ಆಯ್ತು, branch ಕೊಡೋಣ. Branch will be the work cat 255. Okay, sir. Next, region. Okay, sir. Region, no? Next, sir. In one database, you can create a lot of tables. Your wish. Correct? Create database name, create database. How to know all databases? Show databases. Table create ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Okay. First I'm going to do, later I'm going to do. Let me show first. ಈ database ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಈ database ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Show table will show, but there will be no tables. No tables are there. Correct, sir? Create ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ database table. Then I'm going to use it. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Create a table, show table ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Clear? First ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್. Are important sir, please sir. These all are extra topics. You please make use of it. ಮಾಡಿದ reputation inducting. A ping in chat also. In Skype chat. A ping in Skype chat also, sir. Please try to open Skype chat in laptop. Go to the lot of theory. Please open Skype chat. Please open the Skype chat in laptop better. ಆಯ್ತಾ hold on. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. Can you open Skype chat in a laptop? Because I'm going to read laptop there is a big query. I can't allow it. Okay. ಆಯ್ತಾ can you open Skype chat? ಆಯ್ತಾ ಜಯಂತ್ can you open Skype chat? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Yes or no? Yes sir. Done? Now I created a database. I went into the database. I created a table also. Now I need to know the details of the table. ಆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಮ್ 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಾ? ಆ 4 ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ describe the table. DEST BTU is a table. This will show what is the input it will take. DEST space table name will show the details of the table. What are the input? ನೋಡಬಹುದು ನೀವಲ್ಲೇ ID ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ನೇಮ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್, ರೀಜನ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್. Yes sir. Correct sir. Now I'm going to add a details to a table. Done right? Done right? Yes sir. Now I'm going to add the data to the data table. Please understand sir. I'm going to do first. Kindly open Skype chat in your laptop sir, please. Please observe. Please observe. I'm going to write the query in notepad. Then I'm going to paste in Skype chat. Observe Adile. One second. Insert into table name yado BTU. This is there or not? I'm not sure sir. Insert table name. I don't think so. Leave it. Table name. Please observe. Values of. Nodile. One sec. Inside the table name. ID I'll mention 100. Name I mention Jayant. Jayant is the student name. Branch I mention electronics and communication. Region I mention Bangalore. Okay. These are the way how we going to insert. First I'm going to do. I'm doubt on insert other space is the first one Martine. Then I'll get confirmed. Don't do now. I have doubt on the space symbol. No. Insert other space is there. Insert Jayant. Okay. Sorry, one miss. Jayant, not even. I'm getting an error here, sir. Please observe. I'm getting an error here. Why? I'm getting an error, sir, here. Why? Because these all are strings, sir. ID matra integer allo, sir. String should be encapsulated with the single quotes. Getting? Understood, sir? ID ಬಂದು integer ಹಂಗೆ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. Now it should work. Now also I'm doubt on Insert other space in element. No. I doubt on this thing. Give me 1 minute. Now it will come. Okay. Insert after space is there. Nadido. Is there a multiple column I'm going to do, sir? I want to include now 110. What is this Jain and Giant? What is it? Nitesh? Nitesh? Nitesh, right? Computer science. I'm putting into Mysore. Okay. At least on 4 record you insert manana. Different value. 4 record you insert as per your requirement. Okay. I'm going to next add Ravi Kumar. 220. What, sir? ನಿಮಿಷ ನಾಲ್ಕಲ್ಲೇ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What the things you want. Insert like 4 records, that's it. 4 records. 220. Ravi Kumar. What's your branch, sir? Computer science. ಯಾವ ಊರು ನಿಮ್ದು? Bangalore. Okay. I need to give a different name now. Bangalore only one. Vijay Tumkur, sir. Okay. Next, 300. I'm going to give, what is it again? What is your name, sir? Patrina, Bhargav. Branch? Vipali. Aita? Inserted all records, 34 records. Done, sir? Yes or no? No. Can do it, sir, first. Understanding? ठीक है मानी सर 20 You are making question queries in the chat also. At least four entry. You doing, sir? Done? Done, sir? Any confusion, any doubt? All done? No. Now I want to know. Please observe. Please observe. Aita sir, Jain. Done? Observe now. Now. Please observe. Now I want to see details. What are the things I inserted? Select star from table name VTU. Select star from table name. Select star from table name. Select star from table name. Illa the details of. Any confusion here? Select star from table name. Answer. Okay. Now I want to please observe. Please observe. Please observe. I want to display only the lines where region name is Bangalore. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 1 second. I don't want to display all 4 columns. I want to display only ID and name. ID star ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ID, name ಕೊಟ್ರೆ column name from the table name VTU. Display the particular record. All done. Telling. I think I'm getting doubt on you from that time. Done? Okay. Now, I want to display only the lines where region name is Bangalore. Condition ಹಾಕೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. Select star from VTO where region is equal to Bangalore. Ready? I think that you go experience of database explore ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್. All done? Any confusion here, sir? We put a condition here. Correct? Now, I want to select only the table, select only the column where region name Bangalore and branch should be electronics. EC ಇದೆ, EC ಇದೆ. Correct? Branch. Easy, sir. It's like normal English. See how good it is. Filter by ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Correct, sir? Understanding? All done, sir? Clear? Now, I want to display all the things where region can be Bangalore or Tumkur, Bangalore or Mysore, Okay? Region particular thing ಕೊಡಂಗಿದ್ರೆ equals ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Multiple condition want to match. In ಕೊಟ್ಟು Bangalore, Mysore. ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Done, sir? Done, sir? Done or not? Okay. Now, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸೆಕ್. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತ. I don't want all the record. I want only top 2 entry only. Linux ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Linux top 2 lines. Yet command. ಇಲ್ಲಿ limit -2. Limit -2. Display top records. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸರ್? Okay. Observe now. I want to display all the things where branch having the last letter C. Okay. No, region. Region having the last 3 letters ORE. Bangalore and Mysore. Beginning, I don't know. Last letter. How to match that one? Where region like equals kotre exact. Like percentage ORE. Oh, sorry. Region, correct. Sorry. Correct. Region percentage ORE. ಬೇಕು. ಸೂಪರ್. ಎತ್ತಾ ಮಾಡಿ. Percentage is nothing but star in Linux. Percentage is nothing but star in Linux. Beginning ಏನೇ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಓವರ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I feel one thing, sir. In class, vision people will understand, but in asking question, no one says. That's a gap of practicing. That's the thing I will clear. In class, everyone feels so, not only you, madam. Yeah, in class, everyone feel interesting, understanding also. But when asking question, nobody answers. That was not happening in case. There is some gap. Weekend, if you come directly, not going to work. Okay? This week you dedicated to work. Next week you have the practical test. Next week you should have 2 practical tests. Next week. Next week going to have every okay. But before practical test, before starting class, first in morning 9 to 11, we complete practical test. Till load balance, till auto scaling, everyone should be good. That's the funny. Till auto scaling, we'll have 2 practical tests. Till EBS, till EBS, then Sunday, till auto scaling. Next week, we'll add the important things. What are the things? Load works on the load 50. Load 50 not good. Load 50 will equal to next thing. That's enough. I'll add another one. I'll give a simple question. Understood, sir? All done? Come back. No. Super. Now, please observe. Now. Okay. I don't not will work or not. I'm not sure here. I'll check, sir. With not like I'll put not here. It'll work. Not also I can try, sir. Not like hangare tumkur barutte. Not like percentage ORE. Not like percentage. Not. Percentage ORE. Percentage ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಸರ್. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. Suppose if you know beginning, ending you don't know. Ending percentage. So beginning percentage. This you work in SQL, MySQL, Oracle DB also. All are query language only. Worked? Understood the now. I want to how to put and condition we came to know, how to put like condition, how to put in condition, everything came to know. Now select star from VT. Yo, I want to display only the where ID is greater than 100. Select star ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ first, then you can understand better. ಇಷ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ? I want to select only the ID where ID is greater than ಅಂತ ID is greater than 100 and also I want putting another condition branch ಬಂದು computer science ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Branch equals to CS. Super. How easy? How easy? Normal English. Normal English only. If you know this thing, you'll get additional skills. Do not struggle. Do not take tension first thing. Not study for only for job. Study only for job, then you won't. Study only for job. Do the thing which you enjoy. That's the most thing. That's whatever you get. Understood? Understood? Clear? Super. Now, idea ಆಯ್ತು. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I want to display all the things, but I want to arrange with respect to ID. ID ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜಂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? One second. I'm going to arrange 50. Then right? Okay. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೂಪರ್. Now it's arranged not arranged, it's not in the correct way. ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Now I want to arrange respect to ID. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ please. Where? Order by, sorry, not where. Order by ID in descending order. In descending order. Yes, sir. Order by ID. I forgot, sir. Order by order by ID 50. Arrange ಆಗಿದೆ ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Descending order ಗೆ we need to DS, I think so. I forgot. Order by ID descending 800 ಇಂದ ಅಂತ. Yes, sir. Right. Done, sir. Order by ID we done. Now let ಅದೇ ತರ order by name ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬೈ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡಿ. ಎ ಇಂದ ಬಿ ತನಕ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ? ಹಲೋ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಮುಳ್ಳಿ. ಹಾ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? Done, sir. All clear? Any confusion here? Now let's try to update. Let's try to update the things. Where name is equal to Bhargav and ID is equal to 300. I want to update the branch to computer science. So electrical is there, triple E. I want to update the table name. Update the column, sorry, not table name. Update first. I will go to do. Please observe. Update column, update table name. Set branch is equal to computer science. Okay, sir. Where ID is equal to 300 and name is equal to Bhargav. When using updates, sir, it very important to mention the where condition. ಇದು ವೇರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಅವಾಗ ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಯ್ತು. ಇದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? everyone get 1 lakh. Everyone get 1 lakh. Record. Getting sir? No. ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂತ. ಇವಾಗ ಭಾರ್ಗವ್ CS ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮುಂಚೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Do it, sir. Update table name, set column name is equal to where ID and name is equal to Bhargav. ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಯ್ತಾ? Getting sir? Any confusion here? No. Update. See, I'll do one thing. Please understand, sir. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನನಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು CS ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. CS or any other branch, mechanical, what will mention? Mechanical, what is the code, sir? Mechno. MECH. Correct? Okay. Update the set branch to mechanical. where Nanta, my intention to only update the Bhargav. Wherever branch is, see, understand, sir, one second. Where region is equal to Bangalore, I want to update the branch to mechanical. For only where name is equal to Bhargav. Where region is equal to name, region is equal to Bangalore, and name is equal to Bhargav. ಇದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ one sec. My condition is I want to update only the thing where region is equal to Bangalore, name is equal to Bhargav. ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು Bhargav condition ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ. Bhargav condition ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 1 2 3 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? BTU. Yes, sir. See now, what the major mistake this is? What the thing we done now? That is the major mistake. Ella mechanical agayta. That's the thing when you are updating, sir. It's very important to specify the and condition correctly. Specify correctly. Not specifying, you are going to do complete your result. Table. Understood? All done. All done, sir. Clear? Clear? Yes, sir. Now, sir, how to delete the entry table letter? How to delete the entry? Delete from table name. Where? Nodile. I want to delete all the entry where region is equal to Bangalore. Where region is equal to Bangalore. Aita? Nodile. Delete aita? Delete from table name where region is equal to Bangalore. Your wish, you want to add only where region is Bangalore, name is equal to Bhargavandra and condition applicative. Buddy. Yeah. And name is equal to Bhargav. Right, sir? Aita? Delete from table name where you want to delete particular name Bhargav, region Bangalore and activity. And you want to add branch name also hand. Understood? Go on and answer. Okay. Now I want to empty the table. Table should be existing, but I want to delete the complete. This is the entry. Truncate. Last terminal is there. ಅದೇ ತರನೇ SQL ಅಲ್ಲಿ truncate table name. Truncate table name will show we delete all the details from table. Table is there. Other table data delete ಆಗಿದೆ. Truncate table name. Okay, sir. Next, I want to delete the table. Drop table space table name. ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Ready? Done, sir? Yes, sir. Mr. Guru? Yes, sir. Done. Now, table ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ. Show table ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Table ಏನಾಗ ಬಂತು ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. Table ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. I want to delete database also. Drop database. That's it. At least, what are the things I told? These are the most used queries. ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲಿಯಂಗಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲೀರಿ. Inner join, outer join will come. wcschools.com. Inner join and outer join will come. That you will learn. This is more than enough. What is the database I created, sir? Jayant, Ravi and Jayant, or what, sir? You want why to vary? We can display the comment, sir. Show database, sir. Drop database Ravi underscore Jayant. Hi, to. Yes. Understanding, sir. Any comment, anything you want to add it? Add it. Any other thing? People who know computer science, if you have studied any other thing, if you know, please add. If you came to know later also, you can add it so that I can add in very good. Not I think. Not. Right, sir. Clear? All done? Done? Done. Any confusion here? Any confusion, sir? Now, let me show the explanation of the GUI details, please. This I can go now. On 10 minutes it will take, sir. But I thought it will finish early. It took long time. Come back here now. Come back here, sir, please. Again, I can't postpone this to next week, sir, for explanation. Next week, I go 2,000 rupees will charge it, 2,000 to 4,000 rupees. Database is highly chargeable. After finishing class, please delete and go. Now, please observe here now. These are the database. What are the things you created? Database name, what is the CPU consumption? What are the things besides previously it was backing, creating was coming. Now, once it's available only, we can use it. This is the class is selected. This is the row, this is the community. These are all the things we know. This was the important thing for me. These are database name. Endpoint. This is the port number, MySQL port number. Next thing is, this is the insert VPC which is automatically selected. Please observe, please observe. This is a subnet group. We not selected, but it got, we give no preference. We give no preference, sir, so it got auto selected. Correct, sir? This is a security group. This security group is very, very, very important. In security group, if you not add the double, even instance alli 3306 port allow ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ allow ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ work ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Because we connect in database, sir, port should be open. That is my thing here. We again publicly accessible, so it's yes. You private ಆದರೆ no ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. Production ಅಲ್ಲಿ security certificate install ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು. We are right now, we are not doing that. Okay, that's enough for this thing. Okay, here is okay. Main thing is group thing is this is for me. But monitoring is a CloudWatch. If you enable monitoring, I showed you right. Enable monitoring, what is going to consume the what is the CPU consumption, it will show. Default it will be there, but we enable. If you enable this thing, it's going to add for every 1 minute. Basic level monitoring, it will be auto enabled. If you click on enable monitoring, it's going to monitor for every 1 minute. This I told in CloudWatch, sir. I hope you remember. Yes, no? Jayant? Yes, sir. Okay. Come back here now. Next, configuration, okay? Go to configuration, sir. Here, configuration, get the complete details, sir. What are the things you use, right? When you're creating EC2 instance, complete details will loaded here. Understood, sir? Clear? No. Where is maintenance? This is important for me. These are important. Maintenance and backup is very, very, very important for this detail. What is maintenance? Every time, sometime you get in your mobile also, sir. Sometimes voice update will happen. You'll get a notification, right? Voice update, whether you want to do it now, whether you want to schedule your voice update class, right? ಅದೇ ತರನೇ ನೀವು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಮೈಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತದೆ. Here you are using, but they also need to take the backup, they also apply the security. Correct, sir? This is the maintenance. When maintenance happen, next maintenance window ನೋಡಿ. ಇವಾಗಿದೆ February 8th. This is from AWS end. This is from the AWS end. If anything pending maintenance, please observe any important statistic. Maintenance is nothing but patching security what you going to update. Correct? If any security you need to update for your database, you are not maintaining it. AWS will do it. AWS is recommending this maintenance need to be applied on this database for security. But you should not ignore them. Correct? They will give one scheduled date. If you are okay to perform this date, that you should okay. Otherwise, it will be coming pending. At the time, you need to apply now. In pending al barutte sir, apply at next maintenance anta date ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಡೇಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 15 days my server is will be used properly. I don't want to my server to be trouble in something. I don't want to apply maintenance because critical service is running. I am getting money from that one. I don't want to apply the maintenance from AWS right now. At that time, you get the opportunity for correct. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ 12 o'clock ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 12 o'clock ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪ್ಗ್ರೇಡೇಷನ್ how you always upgrade will happen in normally your software also will get a new update is available ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ yes or no next is backup. Backup is nothing but the completed data was every time insert ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ added data insert ಇತ್ತ correct anytime for safety what we need to do EBS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ snapshot ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಾ to provide the data with data artist correct ಇಲ್ಲಿ backup this is called as a backup every day out of business hour we going to take the backup so even the database got corrupted by using backup I can retrieve the database even the database got corrupted also deleted also backup the backup in the we can retrieve the database understand it sir clear this backup when to happen you should schedule it how to schedule it I am going to tell you enable backup for one day right default day getting my point sir understanding yes no backup andre ಏನಂತ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಏನೇನ್ ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ನೌ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಬಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಸ್ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಶಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸರ್ ನೌ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎವ್ರಿ ವೀಕ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಹೌ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ದಟ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು pending I go to here modify or actions alilla modify I think so you no need to do just I will show you please observe this all same details no need to do anything anytime password eno forget agidre sir nimge you can go and reset here modify option okay this all same ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ default storage additional storage ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you can enable auto scaling same modify option once you create database also get an option threshold limit this is not required for me this is not required for me this is not required illi sir backup okay this is the configuration retention backup for every one day correct that means every day backup will be automatically happened I mentioned time is here start time is here when backup will happen every one day backup you take at this particular moment yes sir angandre every month we'll get 30 backups 31st backup month and 31st backup contain all the data there no need of keeping all the 30 days backup ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಷ್ಟು ನೀವು AWS ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ yes sir I want to keep only recent my company will maybe keep maximum last 5 days retention ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ number of days it is automatic backup something one day ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈಲಿ ತಗೊಂತೀವಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬ್ಯಾಕಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್ That's it. Enable replicate. Okay. If you want to replicate, you want to take backup. Suppose here is a problem. I thought now where result save backup. Enable replication in another AWS. If you give here, it's going to create a replication in another Singapore same Mumbai. Understanding, sir? Clear. That is one thing. Log export report not required for you guys. Maintenance. Maintenance schedule. Automatic maintenance is anything available. It should happen in this business hours. Think like Monday to Friday working. Saturday and Sunday anytime it happen. I can schedule if any maintenance is there, it should automatically happen in this particular time. Understanding? Clear? Yes. Respond back. Yes, sir. I should only get tired. Done? Clear? Now, suppose database got destroyed. I want to retrieve. Okay. Nan database na delete ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. That is very good. Enable deletion protection. EC2 install ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಾ? Stop protection. ಅದೇ ತರ ಇದು. Correct, but wherever you go to tick, extra chargeable. Okay. Extra chargeable. After doing this thing, delete it. When you want to try, do it in home, perform, delete it. Database is highly chargeable. I'm telling you. Okay. Now cancel ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್. Wait, that one snapshot. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ sir. The snapshot is like a backup only in particular time. It will immediately want to take a snapshot. What is the meaning of snapshot? It's going to take what is the current configuration. Snapshot ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ your data delete ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ನಾನು. ಈ snapshot ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಈ snapshot select ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು restore. Database will if you click on restore, I'll get the same configuration. See, ಏನು. If you click on snapshot, I'm going to create same details again. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? If database got deleted also by using snapshot, I can create a new database with the same details already present in the snapshot. Super. Getting my point, sir? Correct? ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ, ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನೋಡಿ restore db. MySQL dump command ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. MySQL, I'll show you. MySQL dump. This one. This is the command is used to restore a database. These are commands. Nodi. MySQL database, MySQL grant, exit. What is very simple? Create a full MySQL dump of all database. ಇದು ಕಮಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? RDS ಅಲ್ಲಿ tick option. Mind usage is less. Yes, same thing now command SQL login ಆದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈ ಕಮಾಂಡ್. Understanding? Yes, no? Yes, sir. Yes or no? Okay, come back here. Now, suppose I don't want my database to be accessed from all the time. I want my database to be accessed only from particular EC2 instance. Again, what was up? I want my database need to be accessed from the only from the particular EC2 instance. I have the EC2 instance my reason. I want to be accessed only from one EC2. What is it? Any answer? ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಸರ್ವರ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಸರ್ವರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ವರ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಹೌದು. ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ? ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಹೌದು. ಏನು ಡೌಟ್ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. Yeah. BBC, no.
Instance of a DNA.
How that's the one? Where you mentioning?
AWS.
That is why IAM is a policy and what IAM is. IAM that has been the how's that? Huh? Really? Huh? Correct. Database. Involved. Database security group is there, sir. There you have a 3306 0.0 custom TCP. ಅದೇ ಯಾವ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು Understand my point? I want to give the AWS access only for one particular entity, sir. That particular entity is a private IT, not public IT. Private IT. AWS, what are the restrictions I want to can do only for private IT, not for public. Public IT are outside. Correct? I'll take the private IP. I'm going to be the security group of the RDS. Okay. Here's the 0.0 mention ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ how to provide the most security. Clear? Clear? Yes, sir. Please practice, sir. Okay, please practice and come back next week. We'll see. Your understanding or not, sir? Please tell me. Understanding? Clear? Understanding? Any confusion here? Clear, sir? Okay, please practice. Next 2 weeks we'll have a practical test back to back. So even in pressurized environment, don't need to worry. You take it, how much you can do this. That this is dedicatedly work on AWS practical. Okay, next week we have to practical test. Morning 9 o'clock. Morning 9 o'clock we have practical test on AWS. Python test, Python afterwards. Otherwise, what we'll do? You know,